Alright everybody, so this is going to be a quick video just to show you kind of why I like this feature. So I was on a road trip, actually I'm currently on the road trip back from Austin, but I was on the road trip to Austin. I tweeted something and somebody said, why don't you use the tap feature? And I was like, okay. So then I looked into it. I've always kind of neglected it because I didn't mind swiping, and I tried it. I'm like, why have I not been doing this? So I wanted to bring this to you all. If you've already been doing it, you can make fun of me in the comments down below, but if not, you can use this to help speed up your charging experience. So let me move the camera here. Right here on Electrify America, you're gonna say have this members, tap here to pay with plan. So first off, you have to have the app and you have to have the charging plan. It could be the member or the member plus or whatever. And then once that's set up, if you have an iPhone, because that's what I'm familiar with. If you're an Android person and there's the equivalent, can you leave that in the comments down below? But anyways, with the iPhone, you go to your wallet. I'm not going to show you all because it's my membership number, but you go to your wallet, you open it up, and it has the Electrify America. I'll at least show you all that much. Okay, if you can see it. If not, it's all right. There it is. And then all you do is you tap it after you've plugged in, and it starts your charge. And it's super easy. You don't have to find what charger number is it. You don't need any of that. You don't have to swipe or do anything like that. You just tap it, it does it for you, and you're good to go. I've been really pleased with it. It's actually made my my time like arriving at a station go a lot faster. If the chargers are working, of course. But so I've really enjoyed it. So that's it. It's super easy. I highly recommend you do it if you have the app. If you don't, I recommend get the app, set it up, and use it. If you have like some sort of free charging plan and it's set as your main plan, it'll automatically use that when you tap. So don't worry about not using your free charging. It'll work automatically, and it's really nice. I think this is a great option to use until hopefully plug and charge one day is available for ID4 owners and any other vehicles that don't have plug and charge yet. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial video. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Again, if you're an Android user, and you could leave in the comments down below if there is like a wallet option that you all can use for tapping, that would be awesome because I'm not really familiar with Android. So again, thank you. Please give a like, a subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will catch you all next time.